Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. To enable voice navigation in Google Maps, first of all, tap Open Google Maps in your device. Once you open the application, tap on your profile icon located on your top right. Here, tap on Settings. Now, you have to scroll down and tap on Navigation. Under Sound and Voice, ensure that mute state is set to unmuted. Simply tap on Unmuted. You can also adjust guidance volume to your preference as well. I'll be setting it to louder. And once the settings are configured, start navigation in Google Maps and you should hear voice guidance. You can also enable play voice over Bluetooth or during phone calls, audio cues, and various other settings here as well. Enabling voice navigation in Google Maps provides spoken directions, traffic alerts, and lane guidance, making navigation safer and more convenient, especially when you need to keep your eyes on the road or are in unfamiliar area. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.